morning, my lovely lovelies. Welcome to my YouTube channel for yet another vlog. By the way, for those who do not know me, sorry about that. I thought it was tea. Yeah. So, hey, lovely lovelies. Welcome to my YouTube channel for yet another vlog episode. For those who don't know me, I go by the name Anita Akinyi. Yeah, a typical African home. Yeah, it's all about. I show you how no filters, no nothing, just raw and authentic. Real meets authentic here in the lovely lovelies gang. Yeah, so I just show you how a real African home looks like. So yeah, that's Nini. And yeah, I'm a mom of four. Yeah. And yeah, she's like being grateful to God. Being grateful to God for waking us up this wonderful morning. Yeah, don't forget that. And don't get tired of listening to me telling you be grateful to God for waking you up. I always say when God wakes you up each and every morning, just know He has a purpose for you. Like He's not yet done with you. So if God is able to wake you up, just know He's not yet done with you. So yeah, so I am preparing tea breakfast for the kids, and then prepare them to go to school. They're going back to school today. Today they have opened schools. Yeah, they have opened school, and yeah, I want to like prepare them. And yeah, kama kawaida, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, comment. Yeah, let us interact with each other, and also share the link if you have to. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that when my new vlog is up, just it pops up on your notification bar. So yeah, lovely lovelies. So yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, let me get back to now let me go wake the kids up to prepare them, and then yeah, give them breakfast, see them off to school, and now then my day now to start. Yeah, so lovely lovelies, let go. You guys, today is school. Today is school day. Yeah, told you it's school. Wake. Twende mvae nguo. Told you guys it's time. Today it's opening of school. Shili, let me make your collar. Okay, off we go. Huh? Where are you passing? Come and pass here. So yeah, lovely lovelies. I'm off to school. I'm taking them to school. So hi Dylan.
Hi.
Shili, we off to school.
Hi, Bluebear.
Oh, Brinley's asleep. I don't know. She has woken up.
Yeah.
Okay, off we go to school. She's woken up.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Oh, okay.
Hey, lovely lovelies, I am back from dropping my kids off to school. Yeah, so day, now my day starts. Yeah, so but before that, I want to make a quick fix breakfast for Brindley. She's the one who was not eaten her breakfast so that I can now continue doing my nene. Because where a hungry child is an angry child, let me tell you, if a child is hungry, rest assured will not do anything. And yeah, okay, and by then I noticed Sikwenda. Sikwenda bra. I was braless the whole safari. So, but who cares? What left? Yeah, they'll understand, mama. Mm. So yeah, so lovely lovelies, let me do a quick say hi, lovely lovelies. Yeah, so yeah, after that, change to my workout clothes. Yeah, do my workout. After workout, skincare, and then after there, now start doing the house chores. Hey, yeah, it's called being a stay at home mom. Yeah, yeah, stay at home mom who's working online. Yeah. So if I'm in the comment section, if I'm a stay at home mom and working online, so that does that make me a working mom? Let me repeat. If I'm a stay at home mom and I am working online from home, does that make me a working mom? Or is it collabo? So yeah, in the comment section, tell me. So yeah, basically that's how my days work out. Then skincare, then now do the house chores, laundry, then now do work. Yeah. No, actually work it's at night. I normally work at night. Yeah. Mm. Drink your tea. Let's go. You drink. Let's go. You're hungry. Let's go. Come and sit in your chair. Hi, lovely lovelies. I'm off to my workout. Yeah. Brinley is just here eating, and yeah, and what? Oh, my my workout clothes. This is my outfit. Yeah. Just plain and simple. What matters is the workout. At what? The workout. So don't come for me in the comment section. Get yourself a good gym wear. Get yourself a good. The point is work out in caps lock. So yeah. So this is my dream. Yeah, not that as I said, it's not a scarcity mindset. If I obviously if I get the chance, I will buy those aesthetic gym fits. So yeah, mtafika bay. Yeah, so lovely lovelies, Lego. I repeat, I'm fighting is the real ghetto. It's the real ghetto. My lord, my days. Wow. Hey. Workout is not for the wicked. Ooh. So yeah, less complaining. Yeah, let's get back to it. So as I was saying, now my next minute, I was thinking like, let me do the house chores after. Does it make sense? Skincare first and then house chores, or house chores and then skincare? I don't know. I'll see about that. Yeah. So yeah. Hey, lovely. So took a break. We're on a break. I was doing laundry, yeah, doing some house chores, and then I was like, Kai, my baby now like started now crying. She wanted like this attention. So for those who have Velcro babies, Velcro babies are those babies who are so clingy. Like, what do you Nini do for the mummies out there? In the comment section, tell me, what do you do? Like, they stop being in that clingy stage. Like, you see, she doesn't want me to put her down, and I have to do laundry. I have to do, other chores. Like, I have a lot to do. I have a lot, but you know, Aki, what do you do to your clingy babies? Yeah, cause what? It is, it is so overwhelming, and I won't lie. It is so overwhelming. Hmm. What? Motherhood. Cause I have a lot. I have a lot. Hey. Yeah, lovely. So, mommy's out there, or just even not necessarily even you be your mom, you be a mom to relate. You can also, even those who like, if you just have an idea in the comment section, tell me. Yeah, so let go.